islamicessential.com/donate.
Can a man approach his wife during the month of Ramadan in the evening after the fast had ended?
Previously, when fasting became fard for the Muslims, as Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse number 185, that Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was revealed as a guide for humankind and giving you signs of guidance and judgment between right and wrong. And then it says that so whoever witnesses this month, he should fast. So when it became fard for the Muslim the first time initially, the full month of Ramadan, at that time it was the law that approaching your wives, having a sexual intercourse with your wife for the full month of Ramadan, whether it be day or night, was prohibited. And it's mentioned in the tafsir of Al-Qurtubi, volume number 2, page number 210, that Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, once he spends a lot of time with the Prophet and leaves the Prophet at night and comes to his house. And when he reaches the house, he has the urge to sleep with his wife. And he has intercourse. When he gets up in the morning, he's ashamed. And he goes to the Prophet and says that I've sinned against Allah and you. So the Prophet says, why? Because I slept with my wife. My soul urged and went towards my wife, and I slept with her and had intercourse with her. Prophet said, did you really do that? Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, said, yes. And Hazrat Umar says that, can you find a pardon for me? And then Prophet Muhammad says, no one besides Allah can pardon you. He's the only one who can show you the way. And immediately the verse of the Quran of Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 187 was revealed. It says that you can approach your wives during the nights of the fast. Hunna libasul lakum wa antum libasul lahunna. Because they are your garments and you are their garments. And then the verse continues that, and Allah knows what you used to do secretly in the nights with your wives. But Allah has forgiven you. And from now onwards, you can approach your wives. And you can take what Allah gives you, the offspring from them. And you can eat and drink till the white thread of dawn is distinct from the black thread. And then you can fast until sunset, until night falls. So when this verse was revealed, Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 187, then it became lawful for the Muslims to approach their wives during the nights of the fast. So now, as far the present rule is, that you cannot approach your wives, have a sexual intercourse with them during the day, right from the break of dawn, from the time of Fajr Salah up to sunset. But immediately after sunset, up to just before the break of dawn, before Fajr Salah, you can approach